What's going on, guys? I'm here, and if you guys are watching the live stream, if you haven't, go ahead and watch that. Doing a live stream, and literally just Lucas saw a black king snake, and through group effort we pulled her out. Hey, you like the camera? You like the camera?
Beautiful. I'm surprised she hasn't bit. King
I
snakes
know.
aren't really
She
bad.
dipped
Yeah,
down in there, and then we coaxed her out, and she is a beauty.
Beautiful snake. That beautiful belly.
Such a beauty.
Got the iridescent shine on the scales.
Yep.
Ooh, don't bite me.
It is a female.
No, I don't think she would bite.
Oh, you guys have to give this video a like for this.
Yeah,
this is crazy.
Yeah.
I did not expect this. Alright. Alright, guys. Got some pictures of her. Finished up the live stream. Now we're going to let her go back into this crevice where we got her from. And let her go back to doing her hunting. Absolutely gorgeous. There you go, girl. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't get much better than catching a black king on your first live stream test.
Completely by accident.
Completely by accident. Like, that was live. You cannot make that up. What is herping? Commitment.
Commitment and the thrill of near-death experience.
Nothing? Looking around it too, because I found that black king in those rocks. We're thinking that they're thermoregulating, as in going back into den areas, under rocks and stuff, because the sun's been out all day, not a cloud in the sky, 80 something degrees almost, and so that's why we're thinking we're going to find some timbers over at this other spot.
Be better.
Yeah. Here's something over there.
Mm-hmm.
These are the bluffs we're going to be checking out. It goes all along this ridge. Trying to check them out for these timbers. But we're already hearing some rustling over here. Jason already saw what he thinks is either a black rat or a black king over by the fence lizard wall. Yeah. Your chances are pretty good. Look at this.
It's so hard.
This is the Quarry. A waterfall over here. Not seeing any snakes, unfortunately. You see what I'm talking about with those bluffs where that sun's sitting right there? That's what we need to hit up.
Yeah.
Things like that. Still. Awesome, dude. Look at those colors. That's just crazy.
We haven't got a corn
we have a
snake.
brand new species.
That's a huge corn snake,
is
guys.
right.
Talking about corn snakes.
That's awesome.
If you see right there,
Jordan's
it's really dark. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is a corn snake. And I have had one as a pet, but I've never caught one in the wild. So,
There you go. He's right below you.
Alright.
His head's facing straight towards the exit, though, so you gotta do
How
it.
the heck do I zoom in?
Oh, he's constricting. You see him?
Straight down his head.
How big is he? Oh my god!
Whoa.
Whoa! That's a huge corn snake! Okay, let's get up there. Let's get up there.
Massive corn snake. Oh my god.
Here, no, give him to us.
Hang on. Now get up here, lighting's better.
Okay, yeah.
Alright guys, this right here
There's a wild corn snake.
is a corn snake. You guys remember Dixie that I used to have as a pet. This is the type that she was, even though she was like a crossbred. But I've always wanted to find one of these in the wild. I've always heard so much about them. And
It's just like a rat.
such a beauty. Look at that face.
It's like an orange black rat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Such a
belly
beautiful
reminds me
snake.
of a king.
Yeah.
In the bottom.
This is a lifer for me.
And for me, I've never found one in the wild.
These are crazy.
Such a beautiful dark.
Now these are constrictors. They are huge. They get to be about 6.5 foot. And they,
What do you think? 3 for this one?
maybe 3.5. And they're really docile snakes. So you can see I just caught her and she's already coming up to chill. What are you doing, girl?
Dude, this is like 15 feet away from where we found the king snake.
Yeah, this is apparently where they've been out. And look, she is all muscle. All muscle. Like, I mean, more muscle almost than a king snake. Oh, what you doing, girl? Hey.
What'd you say, Jason?
Running by, I saw
Oh,
a king snake.
let's see. Let her see what she does.
Here, Jason.
They
let's
just
get some video.
love to climb. So, Jesus. She is absolutely gorgeous. To find a wild snake that looks like this is just...
This is a really
checkerboard
good snake.
patterning under the belly is kind of faded, but you can still kind of make it out.
Unfortunately for these snakes, though, a lot of people mistake them for copperheads.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, I was gonna say this.
So this little girl, if you see where her tongue is, like, she was just going around looking at me all intense. And she was just like tasting me. Like, she just rubbed her tongue up. Like, maybe she'll do it again. See? She's literally done this on my hand for like 5 minutes.
So
And she just keeps on doing that, just curious, just tasting. Smelling, I guess you could say.
She's mating.
Just smelling everywhere. Making herself a nice little comfy ball. Oh my gosh, this. Starting off with a black king. Ending off on a lifer corn. Like, does it get any better than that? I don't think so. Alright. Let her go back in her little hole. So we're gonna let her.
You're going a little slow, ain't you? Oh, there she goes.
Come on, girl. Come on.
She's attached.
Come on. I know. I know. Come on. God, you are beautiful. I'm sure I'll see you around here again.
Oh, wow. What? Oh, she's coming out.
Yeah. She's like, I want to play with my friends more. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out one of my videos on the other side. And I reckon I'll see you tomorrow. If you missed the live stream where we caught the Black King, go check that out. I'm going to end on this adorable.
She's so curious.
Too cute.